Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm Junior.
And I'm Senior.
Wait, no, that's not right.
I'm Junior.
And I'm Senior. And today, we're gonna be washing cars. We're gonna be showing you the proper 2-bucket method. And here we go. All right, so today I have a brand new Dewalt power cleaner. Cordless, not quite a pressure washer. It's more of a versatile cordless hose, basically. I live in an apartment, so I don't have access to a hose and being able to wash my car in a parking lot. I usually have to go to a car wash. And this is going to help me greatly because, as you can see, I can pull from a separate water source and I don't have to tie it to a hose. It does have an adapter that I can use a hose if I wish to, but this is going to be great.
Hey guys, so we're going to be using the bazooka. That's what I call it. My dad calls it some random thing. So we're going to be using this to wash down the whole car for all the dirt. And the dirt scratches all of the paint and it's not good. So first you have to rinse it.
Now, a proper 2-bucket method is called that because basically you have one bucket that is just clean water, and we have inside what we call a grit guard, and it basically is going to trap all the dirt when you rinse. This one is the one we will be adding our soap to.
What kind of soap is it?
We are using Chemical Guys. I've started recently using a lot of Chemical Guys stuff. For inside and outside. I've done a lot of research, watching a lot of YouTube videos and playing with a lot of stuff myself on the cars, and I find that all of Chemical Guys stuff is a very not only user friendly but also cost effective for the average everyday user, without going to the high-end expensive professional stuff or going so cheap that the product is not working or lasting. The nice part about this gun is it actually comes with its own foam cannon, which is perfect for foaming up the car before a wash.
That's the other part. And let's see this. Shake it up a little bit.
All right, so now we're just gonna take a couple of microfiber wash mitts. I found by doing some shopping that all wash mitts, microfiber, seem to be pretty comparable. I've had some from AutoZone, so these are off Amazon, and I've even touched the ones from the pros, and they all feel pretty much the same. So you don't really have to go expensive on that. They all run around the same price, or about 10 bucks a piece. And here we go. finished washing, now we rinse.
Bazooka! Guys, he's gonna go get water. Quick, intermission.
Dirt.
He says dirt, guys. Number one enemy. Dirt!
You just want to make sure you get underneath these rocker panels inside the door jamb.
The rocker what?
This is called a rocker panel, this bottom piece.
Oh, nice. What's...
It's at here. That on the inside there.
And inside there. And inside.
Now before we dry the car, we're going to be spraying on this Chemical Guys after wash. Basically what it is it's a lubricating aid that when you don't have like a blower to blow off the water off the car, it helps so that when you're drying with your towels, it doesn't scratch if there's anything in the towel or anything left on your paint surface. So after you rinse it, spray this on while it's still wet, just a light mist all over the whole car, and then proceed to dry.
There you go.
We're gonna be drying the car with some ultra plush microfiber towels. These aren't your average everyday Home Depot, Amazon cheap microfiber towels. A few of these are from Adams. I mean, we're talking $4 or $5 per towel. They're very soft to the touch. You can definitely tell the difference when you grab a cheap microfiber towel and you grab one of these. But anyways, these are what you want to use to reduce scratching in your car. Dragonfly.
Dang. Oh, bye, buddy. Alright, not his hand. do not ever drop your rags on the floor or else you can't use them anymore because they're dirty. Quick fact.
After completing our wash, it is very clear to see. This is our wash bucket, and you can see how clean the water still is. And this is our dirty bucket that we rinse. And you can see how clean it is below, above, and you can see all the dirt that gets trapped down below. And that is why we use the grit guard and a 2-bucket wash. So you're probably wondering why after washing the car we didn't wash the wheels.
It's because we're gonna do a whole nother video on it. How to, the proper way and the products that we use to properly clean your wheels and your tires and to be able to apply tire dressing without getting sling. So stay tuned for our next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family members. Thank you. And I'm Junior.
And I'm Senior.
And this is how to clean a car. Bye!